Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We are just on our way, another on-the-job video. We are on our way to go look at a garage door. I'm not sure if it's a roller door or if it's a tilter door. My best guess is it's tilt, and apparently the lock has been forced. So it's another sort of bread and butter job for us locksmiths working on garage doors. If it's not a house door, it's a garage door. If it's not a garage door, it's a car lock. Anyway, let's go have a look and see what the lock gods have given to us this time, what problem and how we're going to fix it. Let's get going. Okay, so here we are in the car park area, and what we've got is a tilter door with a T-handle. This is the one we're working on today, and straight up I can tell you it's an L&F, which is one of the more lower security ones. So it takes just a simple single-sided key, and also it can also be forced. So a lot of the time when you see this happening, you'll see it happening all the way down the street. You see one being broken, next one, next one, next one. Because what happens is the burglars, they get a big bit of metal or a tool, they come over the top of this handle and they just force it. Even in the locked position, they force it round. A telltale sign of this, if you feel around the shaft here, you're going to feel it knuckling out or sort of popping out in one spot. That's where the actual, when it's locked, gets forced, and then it gets like that. So we're going to replace this, and I'll give you a look at, so this one here works like this. You turn it, the handle goes up. We're going to replace it with a better version, a clutching T-handle. Okay, so I've just fitted up the new T-handle. And as before, where we were talking about this type of handle being able to be forced, this one is different. This is a Lenlock one. This is a Lenlock clutching T-handle, so it's one of my favourite type of T-handles. In the unlocked position, when you turn your handle, it will lift this bar here. See this bar here? When the handle is turned, it will lift it up and it will come out of the ground. So to lock it, you twist the handle. The door is now, the pole is in, but the handle is not locked. When I want to lock it, I simply put this key in, turn it 180 degrees, and now the handle rotates and rotates, and it's actually locked. When the handle rotates like this, it's locked. To unlock it, you put the key in, turn it 180 degrees anti-clockwise, and you can use the door as normal. That's why I like it, because when burglars try and force this type of T-handle, they can't, so it stands up to a lot more rugged. Also takes a standard house key, so if you wanted to match your house door upstairs, you could. Your deadlock on your knob and your garage could all be the one. You can even match the mailbox too, so you could have one key for your garage, mailbox, front door knob set and front door deadlock, which makes it pretty convenient. Okay, so that's the, losing screws, that's the Lenlock CBS T-handle or clutching T-handle. We sell this on our lock shop, drlock.com.au. Just go there and you can find this product there. Thanks for watching.